Hello guys, welcome to back our channel, and I'm going to just uh, taking one thing that is really most common thing in our human life, because we are really stuck at our bugs and really don't get a really good sleep. We are having a really common problem of bad sleep. So for improving our sleep quality, I will give you some tips, like 7 to 8 tips that you have to remember in your mind during your day. Then you will get a really a good sleep after applying these tips. So first thing is, create a consistency of schedule, like you are going to bed at a particular time and you are just wake up at particular time. Create your cycle of sleep, like you are going to sleep at 4 and 5 p.m. and wake up at 10 a.m. So it's a 6 hour sleep, and next day you will go and sleep at 1 a.m. and you will wake up at 10 a.m. Just disturb routine of sleep. So first you have to need consistency of a schedule. Go to bed at a particular time and wake up at a particular time. Schedule is, and consistency is the most important thing for sleep. So that's why it's the best thing. Consistency reinforce your natural body's circadian rhythm, like a cycle of the body that you uh, engage your body in the cycle of your routine. So it's a really enforce your rhythm to be a better better sleep. So first thing is that, and second thing is, optimize your sleep, your surrounding, your environment. Like you are sleeping in light and switch on light, so it's not give you a better quality of sleep. If you want to get your if you want good and improving your quality of sleep, then you would be sleep in dark, like use curtain for reducing the glow of light. Use eye masks like that, and we sleep in quiet environment, because if you are sleeping in like a rush environment, like loudness is coming to your mind, then you will never get a good sleep. So you need to be a quiet environment, and also uh, uh, good room for sustainable body's temperature, like we are getting a sleep and good sleep for like 50 to 20 degree environment, intermediate in those things. If we access that environment, or decrease that or below that temperature, we will we will reduce, or we will not able to we at a better sleep. So we need to be in a darkness, be quiet, and be at a room temperature environment. At a room temperature we should sleep in that room. And third thing is that limit your eye to expose to blue light, like you are giving your attention to social media, to your TV, phones, mobiles, like that, and you get blue lights. So you need to do one thing. So don't expose yourself before 1 to 2 hours before going to bed to a blue light, because it's really interfere with your melatonin production, which makes you harder to fall asleep. So it's also really a bad thing to watch TV, or scrolling some reels or mobiles before going to bed. So you need to don't watching anything, don't expose yourself to blue lights before going to bed, like 2 or 3 hours. You can cut these 2 or 3 hours for mobile. Okay, so don't go for during this period for blue light. Okay, don't for go for screen of your mobile and TV. And fourth thing is follow a pre bedtime routine, like engaging yourself in relaxing activities like reading, meditation, or like type stretching. It gives your mind a signal that it's time to wind down, it's time to fall, it's time to go for bed. So making a pre bedtime routine, it also helps to realize your body it's time to going for bed. It's very helpful for your schedule. So you can just make a pre bedtime routine. It's really useful. Fifth thing is be mindful of food and drinks, like don't drink too much caffeine, too much coffee, tea, or alcohol close to your bedtime because while alcohol is makes you fall sleepy, but it's really disrupt your uh, deep sleep is. So give don't take too much caffeine or like that drinks that really disrupt your deep sleeps. So be mindful of drinks and don't drink before going to bed. Sixth thing is that engage yourself in physical activities, like physical activities, exercising can give you better sleep quality. But don't do vigorous activities within the hour of going to bedtime. It's really give you awakeness, so you can't sleep, you can't fall asleep, and don't get a better sleep. So do exercise, like not close to your bedtime, because regular exercise also improves our overall health, but also increase our mind to give you us better sleep. And the seventh thing is that manage your anxiety and nervousness or depressedness, because it's really give you uh, too anxious, too nervousness, and it's really reduces your sleep quality, disrupt your deep sleep cycles. So engage engage yourself in mindfulness activities like meditation, or you can do a breathing exercise to calm your mind. Like these things, these things, if you do these things, then you have uh, you have reduced your anxiety or depression level, so you can get a better sleep. Eighth thing is that reduce your nap time during the day, because if you want to uh, uh, want to sleep in the day, so just get a nap of 20 to 30 minutes. Because if you don't get a nap of too much time during the bed during the day, because it's really dis- disturb your schedule, disturb your consistency, disturb your sleep cycle. So make distance from the nap in the day. And these are all things that I want to share to get a better sleep. And I will summarize that things. Like first thing is that you can consistency build a schedule of that things. Second thing is optimize your sleep environment. And third thing is limit expose yourselves to blue light, especially uh, uh, especially the time when you are going to bed, close time to your bedtime. Okay. And fourth thing is follow a pre bedtime routine. It makes you to be at your consistency to you follow your daily schedule. Be mindful of foods and drinks. Don't eat too much food. Don't take heavy meals or drinks like alcohol, caffeine. It's really disrupt your deep sleep. So stay away from that things. And sixth thing is that incorporate yourself in physical activities. It's really increase your sleep quality. Really helpful for our all over the body, but really for sleep, if you want to be a getter sleep, it's really a must thing that you need to do. And seventh thing is that manage your stress and anxiety level. It's really uh, uh, very essential for your better sleep cycle. If you have too much worries, then you will never be get a better sleep and a deep sleep. So reduce your sleep, reduce your anxiety or nervousness by doing some meditation or mindful exercises like breathing to calm your mind. And eighth thing is that, and eighth thing is really important, limit your daytime naps. Like please don't get nap during the day, it's really disturb your schedule. And schedule is the most important thing, consistency is the most important thing to get a better sleep cycle, to get a better sleep, deep sleep like things. And sleep just not only makes you a better by physically, but also mentally, but also increase your skin quality, increase your overall body. If you get a better sleep, then you have the better mental level, thinking ability, and also a physical appearance. You have a good physical appearance if you take a really good sleep. So here are some things that I want to share with you to get a better sleep. And I really promise you, and I really have the thing I really apply on my own life, and I really get a better result by applying of these things. And I really have a really a proper schedule of sleeping, and I get really a better sleep than everything in my surrounding. And I really happy with my sleep, get a better sleep, uh, deep sleep, by applying these things. If you want to be fit or be uh, mindfulness, be increase your thinking or mental power, then you have to get better sleep. And if you want to better sleep, then apply these things that that I share with you. And I will definitely give you assurance that you will get result by applying these things. So for today, it's the end of the video. I will meet you in our next video. Tata, bye bye, good luck.